Welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Something a little different today. Recently, I went and filled my van up with diesel. And it was almost empty, so I filled it up and it cost me £102. That's probably the most I've ever paid for a tank of fuel in a car. And it got me thinking, how much does my van actually cost me to run throughout the year? But I wanted to work it out to the mile, so pence per mile. So when I go somewhere, when I go and do a job, or when I travel somewhere just for pleasure, let's say, I actually know how much that's costing me in fuel, maintenance, insurance, road tax, that sort of thing. So I've done some figures, so let's take a look at the figures. Okay, so here are the figures. Now there's a very, very, very good argument to say that I should have left the fixed costs out and then put them in at the end. But I wanted to get to that pence per mile, and I know how many miles in the year I'm going to do. So let's start at the beginning. So it cost me almost £2 a litre at the top there, £1.99. How do we measure efficiency in our vehicles? Well, we say miles per gallon, don't we? So I need to see how much that cost me per gallon. So to get to the gallon, you times your litre by 4.54. And there we go, it cost me £9.03. So now I know, using the app for my vehicle, that I'm getting around 40 miles to the gallon. So £9.03 divided by 40 gives me 23 pence per mile. So that's how much my diesel cost me, is 23p a mile. So then I've got my road tax. So I know how much my road tax cost me per month by direct debit. It's £24 and 6p. So times that by 12 to give me my yearly figure, and then we'll divide that by the amount of miles that I'm going to do, because I know I'm going to do 12,000 miles, and so that gives me 0.024 pence per mile. Next is maintenance. Now I do my own maintenance on this one, so I service it and anything else that needs doing to it, apart from some tyres which you saw me buy earlier in the year, and you've also seen me replace some bits and pieces, lights and things like that. So I've put a figure in there of £600 divided by 12,000 miles. So maintenance costs me 0.05 pence per mile, which is interesting. So add all those together and we get a grand total. My vehicle cost me 0.336 pence per mile. So it's about 34p a mile. So times that by 12,000 miles, that's £4,032 to run my vehicle. Now, let's say you had a monthly payment on that vehicle and it would be something like £275. That's probably, on a good day, it's probably going to be more like over £300. So 12 monthly payments of that equals 3,300. So we add that to our figure from before, and that's £7,332 it would cost to run my vehicle. That's quite astounding, isn't it? It's staggering almost. So what's the alternative? Well, I discounted diesel or petrol because a newer van, more economical van, would still cost me a monthly payment of up to £400. So that's quite a lot of money. So we had a look at electric van. A new electric van is out of the question. The range seems to be atrocious in new electric vans, and the monthly payment, you just wouldn't be able to justify the monthly payment on a new electric van. So the best alternative I found was the Nissan ELV 200. And again, I went look secondhand, and one that was only a couple of years old, it was over £20,000. And so if you took a loan out on that vehicle to buy that vehicle, over 5 years, it would be about £350, £400, wouldn't it? Then I'd need to have the charger installed and then charge it. And obviously the road tax would be zero. I don't know what the insurance would be. I've no idea what the insurance would be. So that's it from Dadskillz today. Tell me your experience. Were you shocked at how much it costs to run that vehicle over the year? Let me know what you use. Let me know your story down below. Is there an alternative? Do I give up work and save the £7,000? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you again. Cheers.